Hey curious kids, Kevin here. So I got my friend Tatum here, and today we're going to be building a volcano out of sand.
So cool.
I used to do this all the time when I was a kid. I pretty much ruined my sandbox at home because there was so much baking soda and vinegar in it.
See, and I've never done it, so I'm beyond excited because you've seen this in every kid's movie.
So we got a couple supplies that we need to work with here. So obviously baking soda and vinegar. We've got those two things. These are going to be the cones of our volcanoes, what we're going to be building up around. So we got a little bit of sand here, but
it's dry.
It's dry, right? So we can't really build
that's not gonna
volcano.
work.
So what we got here, we got a nice big old bucket full of sand. I went to the beach this morning, so we're gonna need some more sand. So we're gonna put this right here. So hopefully it doesn't break the table.
That's impressive. I can't listen.
Okay, so obviously our dry sand isn't working. So we've got some cups of water here. So a little proof. Okay.
Yes,
you know,
it's
even
water. Oh.
You can drink it.
Cheers.
Probably shouldn't. Well, so to get the volcano to form itself, right?
Right.
We need some water. So if we pour a little bit of water around here,
okay.
So we can see that the sand there actually starts to stick together, right? Compared to just the sand. And that's because the water creates bonds between the sand grains, right? And it acts like a bridge. So they're kind of like finger locking together, and the sands can now clump. So that's going to help us build our volcano. So just grab some sand.
Okay.
Or some water, put it around. It'll build up our volcanoes. This might take a while. Probably a better way to do this, but this is just what we're working with right now. You think we got enough sand?
No, we probably should have grabbed more from the beach, honestly.
We'll make it work.
We could do this on the beach.
We could have.
Right?
If the beaches were open.
Oh, yeah.
New COVID.
So are you making yours really tall? Okay. The whole thing's going to be covered, right?
I'm trying to cover the whole thing, right? Because we want a big mound volcano.
Okay.
At least that's what I want.
Yeah, yours looks really nice. I
There's
gotta kind of speed up the process.
Litter in the sand.
Great.
Keep your beaches clean.
On.
Don't do that.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
And green. All right, we need some more water.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need some more water.
Should I just put the hose in the bucket? And just create a bunch of wet sand?
Yes, that is a great idea.
Maybe we can be smart.
Okay, this was a lot better idea. Good job. A+. Okay, so we're using wet sand obviously because the dry sand doesn't work, and then we're just pouring this in.
So we're gonna start with the vinegar.
Okay.
Right, so they say, and they means the internet.
The geniuses out there.
The best ratio for the baking soda vinegar volcano is 12:1.
Okay.
So we're going to do 12 parts vinegar and 1 part baking soda.
Have you ever done like the crawdad digging in the sand?
I've not.
Like during the day?
No.
Like when the water comes on the cold water, there's the little bubbles. If you dig, there's little air bubbles and there's crawdad.
And like those,
crabs.
like the things you can eat?
I wouldn't eat them.
Crawdads? No? It's not like a...
It's like a baby crab.
Oh, crawfish and crawdads are different things.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's where I'm going wrong. See, where I grew up, there was crawfish everywhere.
Oh, where'd you grow up?
Wisconsin.
Oh.
We had crawfish in the rivers.
Wisconsin. They like the cheese there.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how's your volcano coming?
I feel like,
I'm like done.
Yeah, yours looks pretty good.
So we'll talk about the volcano a little bit more. So what we're going to be doing is 12 parts vinegar, 1 part baking soda. And we're going to do that in one volcano. In the other volcano, we're going to add some dish soap. So we got some bubbles, some soapiness to see if that gives us a better reaction. Is there going to be more stuff coming out? Is it going to ruin the reaction? So we're going to figure that out. Do you want the dish soap? Or you want
I want the dish soap. Sounds like a challenge.
You want it? Okay. If her volcano doesn't work for her first time, she chose the dish soap. Her fault.
Guys, don't you think bubbles out of a volcano would be cool? I think I'm going to go ahead and take the challenge.
So.
I think we got all the sand. We actually needed it.
I think mine's looking pretty good.
Yeah, yours actually looks really great. Mine's almost there.
Get this out of here. Okay.
It's really nice. Smart. Is this so you always use a cup like this for volcanoes?
You don't always have to use a cup, but I like to just because it makes sure that the vinegar doesn't get absorbed by the sand or by anything else. So like in the past, I've used 2 paper towel holders, right, to get like a skinnier volcano tube.
Yeah.
But then it just gets absorbed by the vinegar and it kind of crumbles and then goes down. And actually, I made one a couple weeks ago out of clay and I thought it was a nice good seal, and I
Yeah.
poured it in, it exploded, and then it just leaked out everywhere.
Anticlimactic. That's what I would call that.
Yeah. All right, you want some more? Or you got it?
Yeah, let's just
more.
let's just go like it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Oh yeah, baby.
There you go. So to make 2 volcanoes, you need about a 5-gallon bucket of sand.
Yeah, yours looks a little bit better than mine, but
I am a rocket scientist. That doesn't mean I can make volcanoes, but it helps. So we're gonna start doing the reaction now. So we need these. Safety first. All right. We could have wore gloves, but sand is safe. And so is this. So if you want to do this, you just need adult supervision. Oh, sorry.
And we have cool goggles on for a
do.
reason. Okay.
Oh, my arms are all sandy. Okay. So first off, take the
vinegar.
Take the vinegar and do 12 ounces. So 12 ounces is roughly right here.
Okay.
So fill that up. We're going to do your volcano first.
It stinks.
Well, vinegar does have a smell to it. So the way we make vinegar is actually distilling alcohol, right? So we put microorganisms in it, and it eats up all the ethanol, and then what's left is absorbic acid, which then you combine with water. So vinegar is normally at least 4% acid. Let's see what this says on it. It does not say the exact amount, but that helps giving that awful smell.
Yeah, we trust you. It stinks. So I just pour this in.
Just pour that in.
Great.
Yep. So I'm gonna need that for me. So you can do a couple squirts of the dish soap. So
Mine's gonna be cooler.
Well.
So.
Give me 12 ounce. Pour that in. All right. Just a couple squirts in there. I don't know. We're just whatever you feel like. I don't know if you're doing dishes. Sure.
Can clean my hands afterwards. It'll work.
All right. So cleaning off the table because we want some nice views of the reaction.
Okay. Great.
So we're gonna start. We'll start with mine. Right, because we know that this one's going to work.
Right.
So.
Of course, we know yours is gonna work.
We got room, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's do more.
More vinegar?
We got more vinegar. Let's do more. All right, just so that we kind of know. It's about 6 more ounces, so dump that in there.
Okay. Oh yeah, mine's getting a little bubbly
All right.
already.
Maybe we got some sand in there.
Dish soap didn't make it smell any better.
No? It's lavender's dish soap.
It's
lavender.
It's great, but not with vinegar.
You could eat lavender. I thought it was just a smell, but it's like a flavor for everything.
They do have lavender ice cream.
Yeah, lavender cookies.
I've never had a lavender cookie. Is it good?
Not a fan.
Oh.
Not a fan. Okay, so got our tablespoon here.
Okay.
So we're gonna need a heaping tablespoon now since we put a lot more in.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put this in here. All right.
Yeah. Well, so it's supposed to right now. It's gonna.
It's as soon as this goes in, it's gonna start going.
Really?
So actually, grab that GoPro.
Okay.
Bring it over here. All right, let's get a nice good look. Here, give me a countdown for the volcano.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you say something?
Seriously. Okay, sorry. It'll be better.
Let's go again.
3, 2, 1, erupt!
There we go. It's just a little guy.
Okay, mine is gonna be better.
It's still going. It's still going. So maybe I can help it out.
Okay.
A little bit.
Okay. I see. It's got that. It's falling down. It's.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's erosion. So that's when liquid cuts through something. Erosion.
Yeah, smarty pants over there. Erosion.
All right. So that's what's supposed to happen, right?
Okay.
We got the baking soda vinegar.
Right.
It's an acid-based reaction.
But now we have bubbles, so.
Here's our base. Here's our acid. 12 to 1. Put them in. We get CO2 gas, which is those bubbles, and then water. Well, what we're left with is carbonic acid. Now, we need to see if it's still going to work with dish soap.
It is.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it? Okay, I'll
He's
hold the
setting me up,
GoPro.
isn't he? Okay, hold it
It's
up.
not going to work.
You know what?
I have no idea.
Have a little faith.
I have no idea.
Okay? Come
So.
on. You know what?
Oh, you got this.
Are you going to give me a countdown, or is yours going to be better than mine?
Of course.
Okay.
I mean, I am in the industry of countdowns, which means I have to start from 10.
That's
how we launch
fair.
rockets.
That only seems fair. Okay.
Okay, so we got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch! Oh, that's a lot more foaming. That's good.
That looks
That's
sick.
so much better than mine. Oh, wow.
What'd you say about mine not working?
It worked better.
That's what I thought.
You know, that's what you gotta do. You gotta pump them up when they're not feeling so good. So I made our volcano do a little bit better than mine.
No, I chose which one I wanted to do.
All right. Yes, you did.
You
did.
guys, that
Smart. Does it
It
smell?
actually smells kind of good.
Does it? Oh! Good thing I got my neck workouts in. That was a close one. You know, I was going to show you one more cool thing, but I don't know if I want to
Oh,
anymore.
come on, please.
All right, so keep the glasses on.
Okay, glasses on.
We're going to do one more reaction.
Okay. Ooh,
All right.
This smells good too.
So
Candle,
you can put
lighter.
the candle right there.
Okay.
So first off, what we're going to do
Okay,
is pour in some vinegar in here. It's a good thing we didn't use it all because
that's true.
I needed the vinegar for this one. So now we're out. Cool. We're just going to dump some of this in here.
Okay, so we know it's gonna make a
So
volcano.
Yep.
Ish.
And I actually think I just screwed that up. I probably did. But we're going to try. Maybe. So what's happening, right? We got the CO2 gas,
Okay.
which is denser than air. So it did overflow, so that might have screwed it up. But essentially, the CO2 gas should be hovering in here, right around here, pushing the air out. It's denser, which means heavier. It's going to be down. So what should happen, if we light this candle, and Tatum pours out the cup, but not the liquid, see what happens to the candle. So go ahead and light that candle.
Okay, sounds kind of cool. Okay, lighting candle, candle is lit.
Okay.
Candle is lit.
So we see our reaction here is pretty much slowed down. There's a couple bubbles.
Yeah.
But there should be CO2 gas in there. I'm hoping. If not, we're going to do it again.
Okay.
So pour it slowly on the top of the candle, but not the liquid.
the water.
Right, closer to the candle. Like right on top of the flame. And
Magic.
there it is. Nice.
That's science.
That is science. So we just extinguished the candle with the CO2 gas that came from that reaction. So it's proof. It works.
Today we learned that I am smarter than Kevin.
You know, I'm always trying to learn because I don't know everything. So remember, until next time, never stop learning.